Looking for a comforting, creamy chicken dish without the guilt? Rich, satisfying, and completely food optimizingly friendly. And here's the clever twist. Instead of using cream, we're swapping in plain quark. It gives that same indulgent texture but keeps the dish completely free. Spray a non-stick frying pan with low-calorie cooking spray and place it over a medium heat. Add onion and crushed garlic. Fry gently for about 5 minutes until softened and lightly golden. Next, add skinless chicken breasts, roughly chopped lean bacon, and button mushrooms and cook for around 10 minutes. Next, prepare the sauce. In a large bowl, mix 100 ml of chicken stock with 100 grams of plain quark. Add a teaspoon of mustard powder and mix well until you have a smooth, thick, creamy sauce. Once the chicken is cooked, pour in the sauce and stir everything together. Let it simmer gently on a low heat for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all the flavours to come together beautifully. Finish with a sprinkle of parsley. Serve with a generous portion of vegetables, think tender stem broccoli and baby corn. Enjoy every guilt-free bite.